This is the story of our clothes. We wore them until they wore thin. We loved them until they went out of style, or until they no longer fit. We cherished them until that one stain, or until they fell apart, and then we let them go. But the thing is, our favourite clothes didn't go anywhere. They became fabric waste, 5.8 million tonnes of it every year. Right now, the story of our favourite clothes doesn't have a happy ending. But it's not too late to rewrite it, starting with one simple line: care for what you wear. We start by making sure the clothes we buy don't harm the environment. We pick the right cycle and water temperature when we wash our clothes, making them last longer. We turn our old favourites into new favourites with a little handiwork. And when it's time to say goodbye, we pass down our clothes and our story along with it. It might not seem like much, but something as big as changing the world starts with each of us, taking one small step at a time. Life's good,